Hi guys, good morning. Hello there. I got my package from Amazon this morning, early in this morning. Ayan. So hot outside, very hot because summer here in Japan. I want to share my unboxing to everyone. You can watch my blog. Yes, guys. I am here downstairs. Oops. Ayan, buhay pa siya. You know guys, this is very nice. So, finally I got my makeup brush set. As you can see, do you care? Ayan. Sweet light. I chose this color. Dark green, like this. I like my bladeless electric pan. Neck pan. Oh, very nice. This is my first unboxing. Look guys, this is very cute, very nice. Wow. Yes, this is my makeup set. Then, wow. I love it. Very nice. Meron siyang box. Ayun, tumunog na yung aking washing machine. Okay, I will show you like this. Guys, very nice. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda-ganda. Hindi pa natin matatanggal to. Matatanggal ba natin? Okay, like that. Ayan, meron tayong brush. Brush siya. Mukha. Ayan. Kompleto siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Ayan. I-remove muna natin sa lalagyan niya, no? Oh, so excited to see this. Ayan. This is my makeup brush. Not makeup. Ayan guys. Nahihilig ako sa kulay na evergreen ba ang tawag dito? O dark green? Or ayun na nga. Ayan. Kasi ako'y may pinanganak. So I love green, emerald. But this is evergreen ba tawag dito? Ang ganda niya guys. Actually, may tatlong kulay ito. May orange and dark green or evergreen and white ata yung isa pa. Okay, yan guys. Meron tayong pang brush. Kompleto na tayo. Hindi ko na ma-specify sa inyo. Basta makikita nyo yan. Ganyan guys. Yan. Very nice. Ito pa guys. Ayan. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. Yan, lalagyan ko na lang supot, yung ito. Kasi dudumi yung lalagyan natin. Wow, very exciting. Ganito, ayan. Hinahanap yung sa eyebrow. I think this one. Oh, this is pang eyebrow. Eyebrow brush. Guys, look. Diba? Ang cute. Ayan na siya. Kompleto na. Actually, meron ako talaga. Pero syempre, naluluma mga bagay. So, we need a new one. So, this is my sharing for today. My first unboxing. May second pa po. And I think my third. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Hot summer here in Japan. Have a great day. Good day. Pleasant day to everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yes. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. This is the continuation of my unboxing. So I got this one today. It's too hot here in Japan. First, I unbox my makeup brush set, and then this is the second one. My outdoor, guys, outdoor water bottle. Yes, I think this is good than to put my pet bottle inside my box. Kuruwai desu ne. This is a flat water bottle, so I'm very interested to try this. So already now I have here. Look at this. Oh, very noisy everywhere. Outside, the semi or cicadas insect is umiiyak na, or they making noise. Hi guys, look this. Wow, this is so beautiful. Flat bottle. Ang ganda niya na. Ang ganda. This is very, very beautiful. Ayan. Shout out to my friend. Xin ciao to everyone. Yes. I'm very thankful to have this Mochi outdoor water bottle. I can put this inside my box, my bag, because this is flat. Hindi uubos ng malaking space, and it's only 380 millimeter and or 13 ounces. Yes. Ganda niya. Thank you. And I'm waiting for another one, maybe tomorrow, and then we will unbox that. Okay, have a great day and have a pleasant day to everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and enjoy your day, enjoy your summer, or what weather you have there. Thank you. See you on the next video. Thank you.